everyone, my name is Surbhi Khurana and I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform, that is ZIIEI. ZIIEI stands for Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Today, I am going to discuss about various innovative ideas, and also I am going to talk about various learning processes with the students in a very fun and an interactive way. Now, we are going to cover the chapter named as One or More. This chapter is of class 3. It is from the UP board. Chapter number is 10 and the subject is English. The name of the ZIIEI innovative idea is naming method. The innovation is that we bring back the ritual practice of naming and learning pedagogy. The idea helps in building interconnection among the concept being taught by replacing the actual names with allotted names in a particular period. The time required to implement this idea is around 20 minutes, and the concept we are going to cover today is one or more by revising singular and plural with S and ES. Instruction for the educator: choose the individual names of each students of the class. The name should be chosen with the scope of adding a value to it. Then assign these names to the students according to the chapter. After 2 days, add value to it. For example, for singular and plural, let's say we say student number 1 will say tree, and student number 2 is, let's say, pencil. Student number 3 is eraser. Student number 4 is table, and so on. But after 2 days, we'll add value to it by saying student number 1 is trees, student number 2 is pencils, student number 3 is erasers, student number 4 is 4 tables, like that. So pre-arrangement that needs to be done is educator needs to make sure the following arrangements are done. That is, they have to prepare chits with 30 words written on it according to the chapter. It is a revising concept, so ensure that the reading and explanation of the chapter has already been done in the classroom. Also initiate by processing the name through the following process. Name the students by specific words other than the student name. For example, student 1 is tree, student 2 is box, student 4 is rose, student 3 is horse, etc. Conclude after 2 days by saying that now we are going to add plurals. So if there are 2 trees, so you will be trees, you will be boxes, you'll be buses, horses, roses, like that. The following innovative idea has certain learning outcomes. Students will be able to understand the instruction in English and will be able to perform it. For example, bring me the book or shut the door, etc. The child will be able to read and write simple sentences and use plural and singular forms in it. The child will be able to understand the difference between the words in English. The child will be able to use appropriate words while constructing sentences. The child will be able to use these words in smaller sentences. The child will be able to look up for these answers and can write them down correctly. The notes that can be taken are: encourage students for finding out more words and that are assigned to them. In shorter words, in this activity we should ensure that this activity may take time according to the pupil and teacher ratio. This idea is a relating concept and immediate surroundings and for the day-to-day usage. The core life skill that can be included are decision making, effective communication, and self-awareness. The values that can be touched upon are patience and equal right. Thank you so much for listening. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our page on Facebook.